Looking for a screen protector that truly delivers on durability and clarity? The Zagg InvisibleShield HD Ultra offers 3x shatter protection, covering your screen from edge to edge. This means your device can withstand impacts better, reducing the risk of cracks and damage during everyday use. What sets this protector apart is its self-healing nano memory technology. Minor scratches and dings fade away on their own, keeping your screen looking fresh and smooth longer than typical protectors. It's a smart solution for anyone tired of replacing scratched screens. Installation is often a hassle with screen protectors, but the HD Ultra makes it simple. Thanks to easy apply tabs, you can align the protector accurately without stress. One user shared how watching a quick tutorial made the process surprisingly easy, resulting in a nearly flawless application with just a couple of tiny bubbles that were easy to fix. Unlike glass protectors, this model offers a flexible yet tough shield that feels natural on your device. Plus, it maintains 100% HD clarity, so your screen's colors and brightness stay true. If you want protection without compromising your viewing experience, this is a solid choice. The yellow sheet you see during packaging is just a temporary screen cover that's removed during installation, ensuring a clean, clear finish. This thoughtful detail helps avoid fingerprints or dust before you apply the invisible shield. Users consistently praise the balance of durability and ease of use. One customer noted that the HD Ultra's toughness and simple setup made it their preferred option over glass protectors. It's a practical pick for anyone who wants reliable protection without fuss. If you're considering a screen protector that combines advanced technology with real-world convenience, the Zagg InvisibleShield HD Ultra is worth a look. It protects your device, heals itself, and keeps your screen crystal clear. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your screen protection. With proven durability and straightforward installation, it's a smart investment in your device's longevity.